don't know if any of y'all have ever had one of these composter doohickeys that look like this right here. But we got one out in the yard and it's full. And what do you do when it's full? Well, you dump it out. But what if it ain't ready to be dumped out? What if all the stuff hadn't composted up good? And dumping it out is just going to mean you're going to dump a lot of raw food on the ground and the rats and stuff are going to come eat it. Well, what would you do? Well, what I thought I'd do is buy another one. That way we can leave one full and we can have the other one and we can start putting stuff in it while the one that's full sort of osmoslates itself down into something that looks like fertilizer. So what I'm going to do, I bought that one and that great big thing came in a little bitty box, which makes me think it's probably got a lot of parts that need to be assembled. So I'm going to pull it out here in the floor and start assembling it. That's what's going to happen next. Okay? Okay. Any questions? I didn't think so.